Well, good afternoon everybody. We're heading back out. It's day 11 in the afternoon now, so we're just heading for a little bit of a sightseeing really, guys. We're going to head over to the tops of the cliffs tops and see what we can show you. We might go drop back on the beach, not too sure at the moment, guys. We're just going to take it as it comes, as I say, so we'll see you on the walk. Right, so we're heading through the undergrowth yet again. We're going on the top side of the cliffs towards Threecliffs Bay direction. Hopefully we're going to veer off to the right and have a look over Tor Bay from above. Right, so that is Oxwich Bay below. I think the tide is now coming in gradually. Right, so we're heading into the general direction of Little Bay and Bay Beach. Or I should say Tor Bay Beach. Anyway, everybody, hope you enjoyed this morning's walk to Threecliffs. I did include a little bit of drone footage in the vlog as well, guys, so I know it's 30 minutes long, the vlog, guys, but it's well worth watching it to the end. Right, guys, so I want to try and head over in that direction, get on Little Tor, just for the views mainly, guys, and that. Plans for tomorrow are, weather permitting, is walk to Threecliffs again and up to the castle, but it's not looking great tomorrow for our last full day here, and then it's home on Thursday. So that's Tor Bay Beach down the bottom there. We walked past the bottom of those rocks there this morning. My plan is to get to the top over there, guys, have a look both ways, have a look at the views to Threecliffs, and if it's not too windy, see if we can get the drone up. We're okay to the left hand side of the Threecliffs Bay on drone assist, so we'll just see when we get there. So this is mainly what the paths are like, guys, and that. Right, this was our dilemma this morning, left or right. I think we went to the right. Beautiful views in the distance. Oxwich Beach. So those are this afternoon's views. Quite beautiful, guys, aren't it? Right, we're going to head this way this afternoon. See if we can get towards Little Tor. Amazing how different it looks when the sea is coming in. Right, just had another quick drone flight, guys. Look good from the air. So that tide is rapidly coming in now. Right. How about that, guys? Quite beautiful. If we wanted to, we could walk down there a little bit more. Across to the end of Little Tor. But I think we're just going to stay here, admire the views for a minute. Hope you're enjoying them too. The campsite is over that greenery in the distance. We're only about 0.8 of a mile from the campsite from here. Right, I think it could be another drone flight. Right, so that's it from Little Tor and Tor Bay Beach down there. If we could find the path down to it, there is an option. We could just about walk across the sand before the tide comes in. Right, so we're going to take a slow wander back. I think we've achieved what we wanted to here. Had 2 more drone flights this afternoon. Right, we're trying a slightly different way back. We can see it's all trodden down, so why not give it a try? Right, just a little signpost there. Threecliffs Bay, Oxwich Beach and Pembroke, is it? Half a mile. We're going to go this way, guys. Take Skye down the beach, I think. Right. Oxwich Beach. That'll do us. That'll do Skye. She's eager. It's a little bit rocky, this path, but it's perfectly manageable. Right, looks like the tide is rapidly coming in, so we could get wet feet going around the corner, so we better get there pronto. Somebody's ready. Right, we made it. Another private beach of mine and Skye's. Well, there are a few more people down here. They claimed it first. Right, it does mean coming this way. We've got that dreaded walk up the sand dunes again. Back to the campsite. Oh well, just think of the calories we're burning off. At least when we get home Friday, or Friday we can have fish and chips Right, let's just stop for a minute. Have a little pan around.
Can I get some comfort, please?
That's Little Tor up there. You've seen us up there a minute ago. We're flying the drone.
It's raining down, baby.
Stunning little bay.
River that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't want to face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lean on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our light.
Squeeze by the end of the cliffs while we can.
Throw our problems in the flame. We fell down to the bottom, so bottom up, please. We're gonna get over this. I see the smoke.
The waves are a little bit higher this afternoon.
I'm holding the key.
Now we've got rain coming tomorrow. Does that mean low pressure coming in?
You're like the ocean, setting me free. Out in the open, I'm picking up speed. No thoughts penetrate. Hold me like this is the first time. Our destiny calls, not leaving this incomplete.
One interesting thing, guys. I was told by the locals, don't pick your dog poo up off the beach. They get washed away. Most people put them in plastic bags, and obviously it doesn't dispose in plastic bags, so yeah, it just washes away. Crabs eat it, anything eat it, but do not pick your dog poo up, I was told.
And throw our problems in the flame.
Right, I think we made this by 5 minutes, hopefully. We're about half a metre in from the cliff walls at the moment.
Throw our problems in the flame. I get a little bit breathless. My thoughts are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
I think we've done it. Come on, we're not going that way. Come on. Right everybody, I think that's another vlog over for today. Tuesday, day 11, Tuesday afternoon, second one of the day guys and all that, so there's plenty for you to watch and drone footage and that. So tomorrow is day 12, our last full day guys. As I say, really not too sure if we'll end up doing too much, if the weather's wet. As I say, intentions is to walk along this beach to Threecliffs Bay, then possibly up to the castle, But as I say, if it's raining. So if you don't see us again, guys, on this trip to South Wales and that, hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed the content me and Skye have brought to you guys. Hope it's give you some inspiration to come yourself and that, guys, and we really enjoyed it. And our next trip isn't until the August bank holiday, and we're up to Deepdale camping in Norfolk, guys. But all trips now are subject to my shoulder operation. It's not planned until later in the year, but if I'm called early, so be it, guys. I want to get it done, guys, and that's so. Thanks again from me and Skye, and we'll see you whenever. Bye for now.